What's up, Social Cam, Facebook, and all others, YouTube? It's after service. I'm back at the crib. I'm tired. We churched today. God blessed us and He moved mightily. Today's text was take the limits off. We talked about Elisha and the widow and her two sons. Her two sons were about to be sold into slavery to pay off some debts. But God used something within this widow woman's house when Elijah asked her, "What do you have?" And at first she said nothing. But then she thought, "I only have a little oil." So with this little oil, God used that little oil and the little bit she did have to bless her with more than enough. So much so that she was able to provide for her and her sons for the rest of their lives. Now see, that's amazing. We limit God based on what we think. So if you think that you serve a big God, know that He can do big things. And if you can think of it, He can do much more. So take the limits off of God. Take them off in your finances. Take them off in your marriage. Take them off in school. Take the limits off. God wants to bless us so much more. But you know what? The reason why we don't have what we really, really desire is because we have decreased our level and capacity to receive from God based on our own thinking. So when you start thinking on a new level, you're going to find yourself on a new level. Once your mind comes out, then you come out. Take the limits off. God bless you. I hope to see you next week at Greater Works as we go further into taking the limits off. But on Tuesday nights, we are still doing the study called Experiencing God, and it's been amazing. So just imagine, Tuesday nights, Experiencing God, and Sundays, no limits, taking the limits off of God. So in Greater Works, we're experiencing God by taking the limits off. So God bless you. Hope to see you again. Thanks so much for watching. I'm waiting for my wife to finish up cooking so I can eat. So I'll talk to you all later. God bless you. God keep you. Again, this is Pastor Lipscomb of the Greater Works Empowerment Center. Just want to say peace. See you later. Have a good day.